Time to change the wheel horse tires from the old one to the old one. That one's going bye-bye soon, and this one obviously is not. So let's change them. I got both of them jacked up. I don't have the original wheels for that. The rims all rotted out, and so basically when I get free rims and tires, I just put them on. Those tires are flat, no good. Here's my helper. You gonna come help? Hey. No, just wants to see what's going on. Okay, so the Craftsman tires are going on the wheel horse, and those are going over there. Maybe. A lot bigger tire, but that's all right. So we're gonna have this. This is a makeshift shim I have because I needed a shim. Let's see if I need one for this one. Need the shim. Works. Nope, it's gonna stay on. Not gonna mess with it. All right, time to do the other tire. There we go. Got the tires on the wheel horse. I'm just gonna throw that one tire back on the Let's throw that tire back over on that junky thing. So Wheel Horse has got to upgrade on sneakers. Big old tires. Obviously, if I was going to originate the tractor, I would get the original rims, and that motor's not even original. I took off the pull cord because it broke on me, so what I did is took out the centerpiece and put a drill on there, and it starts like that. You just gotta be careful when you do it. It doesn't come back and catch your hand. So Wheel Horse is ready to make some tracks. If you like this channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like, hit the share, and notification. Hit the bell, and I'll bring you more Wheel Horse videos. I'm gonna do some moving some dirt with it, so I'll do a video on that, and moving some snow obviously during the winter. So thank you.